everybody, this is Randy Santel, Atlas with Atlas and Zeus Promotions. I'm excited. Last night I just did 8 Philly cheesesteaks to break a record and got my first win in Oklahoma. Today I'm in Rogers, Arkansas, going for my first win in Arkansas. This is a pretty special challenge. I've never heard of a cupcake like this, but I am at Kirby's Cupcakes in downtown Rogers, Arkansas, taking on the Goliath Challenge. It's frickin' big. It's about 5,500 calories. It's a chocolate cupcake. I got chocolate ice cream and then, or not ice cream, icing, and then peanut butter over here. The challenge is just to beat this. I've got 30 minutes to do it. If I win, I get the whole cupcake free, and then I get a cool t-shirt. It's equal to about 21 cupcakes. So what we have here is 11 non-iced and then 11 iced. I'm going to beat the record, which is 3:38. Once it's in my mouth, the record's done. It's never been done before, but I'm going to do basically 2 Goliaths. I'm going to do this one and then this, just so you guys can see what this is. But I've got 30 minutes to do all this. I won't feel good driving home, but a win is a win, and let's go for it. Alright, I do get to use utensils, so I'm going to use my knife, and I'm going to try to be clean about this. I'm going to cut it probably into 8. It might take me 15 extra seconds, but we got to beat 3:38. If not, I got 30 minutes, so it's all good. 1, 2, 3. That's the end of that. I did beat the 3:38, so
3 minutes and 31 seconds.
3 minutes and 31 seconds. We're 5.5 minutes in. I just took a little bit of time to clean up a little bit, but now it's 22 cupcakes. I've got my 11 here, and then I got these different flavors. We got peanut butter, chazzberry, which has some raspberry in it, buttercream, and then chocolate. I'm going to get these down real quick, and then we still got 24 minutes to finish, so I think we'll be all right.
And color when you're starting?
They're very, very fluffy, which is a lot different than the one I just ate. That was very dense, and then there was some chocolate, kind of almost, I don't even know what it was, but that made it a little bit more messy, so let's get these down. In, starting to feel really, really terrible, so let's get this down. I'm starting with the 3 buttercream first. The first 11 non-iced, those are done, so let's get these. In now, we got the chazzberry. everybody. We're 16 minutes in. I did the Goliath in 3:31, and I tried to do basically another one, but I am feeling really, really terrible. So for all you guys that have been wanting to see me fail, here's your fail. I failed the double challenge. I've got 3 chocolate cupcakes left, and then 3. I could finish that, but there's no reason to. But I did get the victory, so I got the Goliath free. I am going to get a t-shirt, and I'll be the new champion up in their wall of fame. Thank you to Kirby's Cupcakes, and damn good challenge. So thanks for watching. Hey everybody, wanted to thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to show off my sweet t-shirt and say I think this is the only cupcake challenge in the United States. So if you're around the area, come try it. You got 30 minutes just to eat one of the Goliaths. You don't have to try 2 like an idiot. I'd like to thank Urban Blue Hair Salon in downtown Rogers for all the ladies came by and watched, and then one of them even filmed it. So wanted to say thank you to them. Thank you to Kirby's Cupcakes. Until next time, this is Randy Santel, dominating America's food challenges, one weekend at a time.